Thank you for your interest in the North Hills Elementary Virtual Learning Program for the 2021-22 school year. The purpose of this video is to show you how to navigate through the elementary online courses. Once you log into the website, you will be directed to the landing page. You'll be greeted by the date. All these squares are called your course cards. You will have one square or card per course. As an elementary student, you will have a language arts course card, math, science, and social studies. On that card, you'll see the dates of how long that course will run. It'll be from the first day of school to the end of the first semester, and then from the beginning of the second semester to the last day of the school year. Current score, progress bar will highlight as you work through the course. The start will take you to the activities, and this will take you to the individual gradebook for that course that you're clicking on. If you go up to the top here by the student app, you will see the pancakes. Those three lines called pancake, if you hover over it, this is actually the menu. If you click on the menu, home is the landing page. You can go to the gradebook. When you click on the gradebook, every course that you are enrolled in will display. The score will be here, and the teacher's name will be right here. And then as you're working through the course, this will populate with your progress. Go back to menu. If your teacher has made an announcement, it will display here. You would click on announcements. Currently, there's nothing to display. The calendar. The calendar will accurately display what is due when. All these little dots mean that you have something due. So here we are on June 29th. There's something due in Language Arts 2, Language Arts 4, Science 1, Math 1, and it just gives you a running tally of everything that you need to work on for the day. Now, your to-do list. If you click on that first thing in the morning, it shows you everything that you should be working on that needs to be done for that day. Let's go back home and let's go into a course. So we click on the activities button. And here we are in Language 2A. Now every course is set up the same way. You have a course guide, course overview, and a backpack. Every course is the same in elementary. Your course guide gives you the course summary, some directions and tips, and then every unit you get an overview and the objectives for that unit. The course overview. Again, here's the course summary, the course directions and tips, grading, credits, and then a list of all the units that are contained within the course. When you go to the backpack, course materials, supplied to you, the online textbooks that you're using, and then the materials that you need to supply. This information right here is course specific, and also it changes obviously from grade level to grade level. You have a glossary of terms that will be used throughout the course. Any web links. There's nothing for Language Arts 2A. and then resource packets. And it gives you information about the resource packets. There's nothing in the course overview, but Friends Help Friends, there's a packet there. You could tell because there's a line underneath it, and that's something that you can download. So let's take a look at one of the activities. So let's go to Friends Help Friends, day 1. Each lesson begins with a big idea. There's a unit opener, an objective, and keywords. Some interesting features. If you go up here to the right-hand corner, you see what looks like an ear. This is text to speech. Again, if you hover over something and you give it a second, you can see what that icon represents. So if you want text to speech, you highlight it. Oops, let me grab it here for you. Just grab it, click, and you could do text to speech. This little toolbar that opened, again, if you hover over it, this is text to speak, play. Right here, this is an interesting feature also. This is to translate any text into another language. It connects with Google Translate. You can select the language you want to translate the information into, highlight it, and up it pops. A nice simple translation for you. So this was just an overview to give you the opportunity to see what the learning platform would look like if you decided to enroll in the virtual learning program for next school year. Thank you.